Okay, you guys, so this song has 2 different ways to do it. I'm gonna show the more advanced way with a little bit of fancy footwork for those of you who want a little bit of an extra challenge at home. These 2 girls in the back are gonna keep it consistent, and they're just gonna take that little fancy footwork out. The count is a little bit tricky to catch, but if you are able to do it the way that those 2 are doing it, and maybe this is your 3rd or 4th time doing this workout, challenge yourself and see if you can get these fancy feet, because once you get them, it really is fun. It's like you're playing the drums with your feet. So I'm gonna show it to you. It's 4 counts, and you go heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe. See? That's easy, right? So your arms are gonna go right, left, up, and out, okay? So the speed of this is da-da-da-da, 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 da-da-da-da. So it is a little bit fast, and you'll notice I go up, and then when I go on my toes, my knees go in just a little, and that's just so I can bend down a little bit and come back up on it. And so the arms and the feet together go like this. Okay, isn't that fun? You can hear it. It's like you're galloping, riding a horse. So you can try that with me. I might miss a couple because the beat is a little hard to catch. Let's see if we can do it together and, you know, challenge ourselves. Rock it out with these 2 girls if that's too much for you. Get you one of these. It's time to cool down. You did an amazing job. It starts right off the bat, and I'll show you what it looks like with the music.
I ain't into raising boys, send them back to their mothers. But he ain't like none of the others.
Same
Tell
thing.
you about the
Boom.
only one that ever made me stutter. Oh yeah, I think I'm in some trouble.
You can drop it down all the way if you want.
Tatted on his back, a work of art is such a sight. Make me wanna spend the
Here's those feet if
night.
you want them.
The way he pushing up is so appealing. Girl, I can't get him off my mind. I swear one look
Now I want you to
into
get
his
sassy and
eyes just
sexy.
gets me. Try not to love him, I just wanna touch him. Hope I'm not rushing. It's just something that I can't describe. I've never met this type of guy.
Do it again. Here's those
Turning
feet.
something. I think I love him. I just wanna cuff him. Girl, you better get you one of these. Yeah, get you one of these.
Right,
Wake up in the morning, he got
1,
flowers
2,
in my
3.
feet. Get one of these. Yeah, I don't wanna leave. Dance around him, got me like a puppet. I'ma let him pull the strings. Get you one of these. Count him in to get you what you want, and he gon' give you what you need. Just saying, get you one of these. Just saying, get
From
you
the
one of
top.
these. On the edges in the streets with me, he's so. Girl, I be ready to take my clothes off. Like really? Are you for real? Yeah, real talk. Checking everything on my list, y'all. Took me
That's
for a
open for
ride.
interpretation there.
Up in the double R, fresh cut fine. I ain't lying here, but just talking about him got me in my feelings. Girl, I can't get him off my mind. I swear one look into his eyes
Sexy
just
Tanya.
gets me.
Let's
Try not
go.
to love him, I just wanna touch him. Hope I'm not rushing. It's just something that I can't describe. I've never met this type of guy. He turning nothing to something. I think I love him. I just wanna cuff him. Girl, you better get you one of these. Yeah, get you one of these. Wake up in the morning, he got flowers in my feet. Get one of these. Yeah, I don't wanna leave. Dance around him, got
I
me
want you
like
to
a puppet.
enjoy
I'ma
this.
let him pull the
Feel it.
strings. Get you one of these. Count him in to get you what you want, and he gon' give you what you need. Just saying, get you one of these. I'm just saying, get you one of these.
Now just breathe. Take a brain break.
I was out of trust.
All the drama.
I didn't ever wanna fall in love. I didn't ever wanna care too much, but it
Remember, we're
changed
cooling down.
my mind. Whoever said love ain't perfect, said
Cross that right foot
in
over.
my heart, he's an angel of mine. Girl, I can't get him off my mind. I swear one
You know
look
it now.
into
You know
his
it.
eyes just
Don't
gets
hold
me.
back.
Try not to love him, I just wanna touch him. Hope I'm not rushing. It's just something that I can't describe. I've never met this type of guy. He turning nothing to something. I think I love him. I just wanna cuff him. Girl, you better get you one of these. Yeah, get you one of these. Wake up in the morning, he got flowers in my feet. Get one of these. Yeah, I don't wanna leave.
I want you to grind it.
Got me like a
Get it.
puppet. I'ma let him pull the strings. Get you one of these. Count him in to get you what you want, and he gon' give you what you need. Just saying, get you one of these. Just saying, girl, you
One more
better get you
time.
one of these. One of these. Get you one of these. Wake up in the morning, he got flowers in my feet. Get one of these. Yeah, I don't wanna leave. Dance around him, got me
This
like
is
a
your
puppet.
cool
I'ma
down.
let him pull the strings. Get you one of these. Count him in to get you what you want, and he gon' give you what you need. I'm just saying, get you one of these. I'm just saying, get you one of these.
Beautiful job today. Thank you so much for joining us online. I like that song. I always thinking about, she's talking about, ladies, get you one of these good men. And you know what? I'm like, hey, come and get one of these good ladies. You know what I'm saying? You're feeling yourself. You're having that confidence. And I want to leave you with a little bit of a message. I've said this before in class, but if you aren't frequent on our live streams, maybe you haven't heard it. And it's one of the most important things I think that you can remember. Think about all the moments in life, all of the opportunities that you've had to have fun and to create an experience that you'll never forget. And you let that pass by because you're so worried about being embarrassed. Like that is, we all do that, and especially in the world of dance or self-expression, we're so worried about being embarrassed because we're worried that we're not going to look the right way, or we're going to do something wrong, we're going to go the wrong direction, or somebody's going to look at us funny or think something about us. But the key to finding happiness within yourself truly, truly, truly is to put your value in the way that you feel about yourself and let everyone else worry about themselves. Like really, really, really focusing on the opinions of others robs you of memories, opportunities, experiences that we are put on this earth to have, where we flourish and we grow and we discover new things about who we are. And so that's what I want to do for you, is give you those opportunities in the comfort of your own home. And then maybe you start to take them outside of those four walls and you're like, you know what? Get you one of these. And you feel so good about yourself, and that's what we are here for. Mwah. Thank you so much for joining us. We love you, love you, love you. Have a fabulous rest of your day. See you again soon.